Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a corn capsicum curry. This simple and fresh vegetarian dish is perfect with any type of bread or rice. All the ingredients are listed below this video, and if you want to print the recipe, I've put a link to that below also. We'll need 2 medium onions chopped, 2 big cloves of garlic chopped, about 2 teaspoons, 3 capsicum or bell peppers. I'm using 2 red and 1 green. You can use any color pepper you'd like. Cut up the peppers into inch-long pieces. 1 green chili cut up. Fresh ginger minced, about 1 teaspoon. 1 sprig of curry leaves. 2 tomatoes chopped. 1 ear of corn. Slice the kernels off with a knife. You should get about 1 cup. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. I grind them fresh whenever I need it. If you smell the store-bought powdered coriander and this, you can definitely tell the difference. 1 or 2 dry red chilies according to how hot you like it. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/8 of a teaspoon hing powder, and coconut oil. You can substitute vegetable oil if you like. Heat up a pan and add a few tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. They'll pop. Add the cumin seeds. Break up the dried chili. I'm using only 1. You can use more if you want it very spicy. Add the onion, garlic, ginger, and green chili. Sauté this until golden. Add more oil if you need to. Add the ground turmeric and cook for 30 seconds. Next, the coriander, a teaspoon salt, and hing powder. Curry leaves and tomatoes. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Stir this occasionally. Now the tomatoes are cooked. You can see the oil separating around the edges. Add the peppers, a little salt, cover and cook for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes in the open pan until the peppers are tender but not mushy. Taste and add more salt if you like. The bottom of the pan is starting to brown a little bit, and that's a sign the peppers are ready. Add the corn and cook just for a minute. This fresh corn doesn't need much time at all. You want the corn to be a little crunchy. The peppers are tender but still hold their shape. The corn is sweet and adds a nice texture. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.